Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today here I am working on the Toro recycle push mower. It's got two problems with this one. It will start and then starts off, and then another one, it will start and then stay on, but it will sound like it will cut off, like the it sounds like up and down. So that means it's got two problems. So let's get into it. Now let's start and see which one it's going to do. I hope you can see it, that it will start and then cuts back off. Now as you see it, how it acting, it will start and then cuts back off. That problem, it is the lack of gas. There's not enough gas going through. And then when it starts and it goes like this, it is the lack of air. There's not enough flowing through either the air filter or some kind of vacuum hose in here. So let's get into it and let's fix this little thing so it will work again. Let's start with the gas problem first. Hope you can hear me right now. We got the gas taken care of. Maybe that's just a problem. Maybe nothing else down there, but we still got to look at that just in case there's something broken hose in there or vacuum leak, something like that. But let's see how it starts right now. Hopefully it should be just one time. Well, as you can see, it starts right out. Let's try again. Try this again, I see. Then again. Oh, let's fix. That's one problem. It's fixed. It's running good right now. It sounds very good. It doesn't go like this no more. So but I'm still gonna take this air thingy off to see if there's any air leak down there.
Likey.
I am going to use the 8mm deep socket, and this, hopefully that's the only one I need. Hopefully there is no screwdriver. Alright, let's check around here. It's maybe supposed to be gasket over here sealed, but I don't see any that fell off. Maybe just the plastic like here. Oh, okay. I see the problem right now. See that little hose over here? Hope you can see it from there because the camera is over there. So right here. That's the problem when it goes like that. But like you said, but like I said, on yours maybe that's just the gas thing. But in this case it's both. It was the gas was clocking up over here. It was not going through. So now the other problem over here. Hope you can see it right here. There you go. It's very hard to focus to show you. That's the problem. It's going like that over here. Like I say, in yours maybe not, but in my case that's my problem. All right. In this case, I don't have a new one or replacement one here since it's just a vacuum. So I'm going to use a shrink tube. What do you call it? Just like this. Now just be careful, make sure there is no gas around. Now it's gonna be a big problem. Just like this over here. The air shouldn't go nowhere. Alright, now it's ready to slide back in there. This should last for this 2021, maybe even for 2022. You never know. Alright guys, it's in there. Now let's clean up the filter a little bit. As you can see, I don't have a new one, but should be okay for today. Alright guys, we finally finished. As you can see, it's working right now, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye for now.